Hello everyone and welcome to the 8th StarGateVR tutorial video. In this installment, we'll be covering how you save the actual data off of the headset and put it onto your computer. Note this will require a tertiary program called SideQuest on your PC, which you should have already installed in order to get StarGateVR up and running. Beyond that, this process is pretty straightforward. You, in essence, want to have the gates that you wish to save turned on and everything else turned off, because when you save this file, it'll dump every star that's currently in a gate that's toggled on into the file. So for example, we have these 3 open clusters here. I've turned off all the background stars so we don't get those saved, and let's say I only want to save this orange one. I'm going to turn off that light blue one and turn off this dark blue one, and so the file we save will only be these orange points in this gate here. When you're happy with your selection, on your control panel, click on the Save Gated Data button. You'll hear an auditory beep, and a bunch of points should come up in this little box down here. This is a brief overview of some of the sources that you have, their array and declination for easy sort of viewing, and it confirms that in fact our selection has been saved. Note that this box only counts up to the first 200, so if you have a selection of more than that, you're not going to see all of them. In any case, once that data has been saved, it will appear on your machine as a file with the original file title. In this case, it's 3 open clusters AAS241.csv. The new file with just the saved gates becomes that file name dash gated data. So it would be 3 open clusters AAS241 dash gated data.csv. And you'll be able to pull that out in SideQuest, which I will show you in a second. But note that if you just want to confirm that that save has worked, in this Select Data button that you used to open up your data file initially, you can check and see, here's my 3 open clusters AAS241.csv, and above it here is the new gates data file. So that's just that group that we saved there. And this dash gates up here is the gates that were saved in the previous video. So there you have it. That's how you save the gates on your headset. Now I'm going to hop over to my computer and I will show you how to actually pull those data off of the headset and into your machine. I will see you there in 1 second. Hi folks, so this is a continuation of the video in which we discuss how you save gated data from the StarGateVR program and then put it on your computer. I noted in the previous part of this video that you're going to have SideQuest installed. I've already opened it up here so you can see that's where we are. When you load up SideQuest and you open it, it's going to take you to a home menu. There's a bunch of advertisements and garbage on there, so don't worry about them too much, but I skipped over that just for the sake of the video. You'll click on this little folder up top that says Manage Files on Headset, and you'll be taken to this screen here, which we're already on. From there, you'll click on Android, Data, this com.Immersive Science LLC.StarGateVR folder, Files, and then you'll scroll down and find the one you're looking for. In the last video, we noted that when you save the gated data, it'll appear as a file name, same initial start as the file that it came from, in this case 3 open clusters AAS241, with a dash and then the words gatesdata.csv. Click on that, hit this save icon, tell it where to save it. In this case, it's going to download, that's fine. Hit save to PC, it'll save it. You can go open that up in Excel or throw it right into Python, whatever you prefer. And there you'll have your saved data. So that's it for this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.